Hey everyone, I'm on my Splash Studio hosting page. This is only for hosts and presenters. It's not for my guests. This is where I log in to host my webinar. So I'll just enter my display name and email. Now I'll say that I'm a host or presenter. I'll enter my host code and I'll go backstage to meet my co-presenters, Perry and Sabrina. Okay, I'm in Splash Studio with my two co-presenters, Perry and Sabrina. This is where we are going to host our event when it's time to do it for real. But for today and for our audience, we're going to go live and activate networking just so everybody has a feel for what it's like to host a webinar. So the first thing I want to point out to my two presenters is they're presenters, I'm hosts. Not to call out that power dynamic or anything, but there's a little bit of a difference. So right now we're all on stage. So if I hit that go live button, our audience would be able to see all three of us. But what I want to show you is the ability to go on and off stage. So as presenters, you can leave the stage, and you can go ahead and do that right now. For a practice run, you go hit the go backstage button. So now if I were to go live, the audience would only see me, but I could see you in my queue down at the bottom of my screen. As a host, I'm able to move both of you onto stage, as I'll do right now, at any time. Again, that's not something you're able to do, but you can leave freely. Some other things for you to know about. Well, you're going to want to keep your eyes on your right-hand sidebar because that's where all the engagement happens. So you'll have a chat. You could chat with me and the other presenters using the on-stage chat. That's just for us. No one else could see it. There's the general event chat, and then there's private chat in case you need to send someone a direct message. We'll have a list of people who are there. We'll have our questions that were submitted. These have been upvoted. And then we'll also have our poll results. So these are, while I'm talking, these are good things to reference so you can refer back to them when you're presenting. Okay, great. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go live. So head backstage. I'll go live. I'll bring you on stage for the world's shortest webinar. We'll end the event, and then I'll see you in the networking circle so we can get a feel for that. All right, let's do it. Going live. You'll see a countdown. Okay, get it on. Got to get it on. No choice but to get it on. Mandate, get it on. Welcome everybody to our Splash Studio webinar. Please help me welcome on stage two very special guests, Perry and Sabrina, also from Splash. So guess what, guys? The webinar is over. It's fast, but it's over. I'm going to end it now, but the party isn't over yet. We're going to go into the networking and mingle a bit, okay? See you in there. Okay. So now as a host, I'm going to hit join networking, and I have my different circles here. In this example, I have 3 different circles. I'm going to jump into pop culture, where Perry and Sabrina should be. There they are. Hey Perry, how was that webinar I just hosted?
Great, Zach. Short and sweet.
Sabrina, you did a phenomenal job on stage, I gotta say.
Thank you so much, Zach.
Okay, networking over. What I'm going to do now as the host, I'm going to head back to the stage and end this thing, but thank you so much for being a part of this. Okay, returning to my stage, going back to my tools, and I will stop networking and effectively end the event for everybody. And that's it.